Meme review! Alright, it's time to work our abs by checking out some of your memes. So smash that thumbs up button and let's do this. First meme. Up next, 5 seconds rest. Whoa, I don't know what to expect. This is worthless. Don't be like that. I'll take it back then, you unappreciative little shit. It'll be 0-second rest. No rest at all. This is actually really funny. I love this. Oh wow, what is this? What is this? Girl with a pearl earring. Girl with engaged cord. Oh my god, this is a fine piece of art. Okay. Calm down. Calm my freaking engaged core down. Woo, woo. Oh, we got more? More nutty? I look like I'm about to take a shit there, guys. What a masterpiece. Up and down jacks. Me. Do you understand how fucked you are? That's actually so cute. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. But yeah, do you understand how fucked you are? Do you?
You fucked!
Oh, corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. So I'm just gonna chop up my tomato. They are the same picture. That's right, bitches. They are the same, alright? They are the same. They have some green thing on top and they are red. They are the same. They are both tomatoes. Alright? Tomatoes. So what are your hobbies about Chloe? Engaging my core. Stop! Engaging my core while doing arm raise plank. Her face is so fucking stupid. And that's my face. My face is so fucking stupid. Me who got peached. See what you did to them? But it was worth it. It was worth it, guys. It was worth it. You know, at this point, I don't even understand this meme anymore. It's all over the place. Whew. Flat chest program. Equipment car. 6-wheel for more resistance. Did anyone request for a flat chest program now? Huh? Flat chest in 2 weeks. Flatten car. Oh, that's very creative. Where's the other 2 wheels? Huh? I like how the real Chloe Ting makes an appearance as well.
It's me, Chloe Ting.
I think this is the next program, guys. I think this is gonna trend. Gotta get that SEO. Stop revealing my secrets, Gwen. Preview of the new challenge that starts on Monday. What the fuck, man? When we named this program, well, I was like, should we actually call it Flat Stomach? But you know what? People actually search for that, which is why we name it that way. This is scary. Don't do this, guys. Don't listen to her. Engage your core world tour with Chloe Ting. Fun, I promise. Join now! Tickets on sale, everyone! Paris. Perfect spot because we have a nice view in front over here. We can do a little workout session with everyone. Oh, I can't see the difference. Where's Chloe? Damn. It's no longer a wall push-up. We've upgraded into a tower push-up. Italy. That was good. Mount Fuji. We could do pull-ups, right? From the roof. Where to next? This is Brazil. Nice. Oh, Russia. This is not dangerous at all. Just do your squats with dumbbells on top of a building. Oh, now this is China. The Great Wall of China. I'm sure it can fit 17 million of us. So we're all going to China. But you guys are paying for yourself though. Oh, we're back in Rome. We're back to Italy. Taj Mahal. It's a levitation program, guys. Chloe, what the fuck? Chloe is out of this world. Engage your core space tour. Okay. Do you guys just want to get rid of me so you don't have to work out anymore? Don't leave me behind. Like, that's rude. Fuck this world tour or space tour. I'm not gonna do this anymore. No refunds. The kind of gains I'm trying to get this year, before and after Yes, big gains, big gains. Look at the plant. It has grown so well. The plant has done 10 challenges. Progress takes time, guys. And watch the ads. Oh no, Ivy. I can do up and down plank jacks without taking breaks. Also, Chloe, where's my teaspoon?
Where is my teaspoon?
Cooking is a workout, okay? It's not easy, okay? You burn calories while you're cooking. Or skin. Don't burn your skin. It's not very nice. But cooking is not easy, okay? It is a workout. A workout. No, it's not. No. Why aren't you engaging your core? Oh my god. Abs too weak. Oh my goodness. That's actually quite funny. It's so freaking dumb and funny. No equipment needed. Get taller in 25 days. What happened to my legs? Guys, if you want to get taller, be ready to get wiggly legs. The program is coming out in a week. I'm working on it, guys. Easy. Okay, Gwen, why is there a table? You said there's no equipment, right? A table is an equipment? False advertising this program. There's clearly an equipment over here. Be careful, you'll get cancelled. Oh, wow. Here's the meme. There's no text needed, just a screenshot. Clothing. Clothing ab workout. Clothing chewing.
Chloeting's workout.
Cloth tying? Cloth tying? What the fuck? Clothing arm workout. People actually think that I'm a fucking cloth. I'm just a cloth. Me climbing stairs. My brain do a lunge. Ooh. Very efficient. Did you engage your core? Did you engage your glutes? Did you engage your quads? Did you engage your hamstring? Did you do all of that? Okay, that's a pretty good meme, man. At least you're trying to work out while you're climbing stairs, you know? You got that down. Next meme. Start a chloeting challenge. Alright. Start a Bernie Ting challenge. It's Bernie! I'm not expecting to see you here. You here to do a chloeting challenge? You've been all over the internet. I'm glad you stopped by. I appreciate that. I know some of y'all can relate to this. Most people exercising to me Ting, pausing the video for a break.
I don't need it.
Most people, I don't need it. You don't need it.
Definitely don't need it. I don't need it.
You sure you don't need it? You sure you don't need it?
I don't need it. I need it!
Pause the video! Click the button! Click the button! If you need it, just do it! Chloe, while doing planks. Girl with long hair hurts Chloe. That happens to me. I feel ya, I feel ya. Do a bun, guys. Do a bun if you have long hair. Wanna work out later today? Yes, let's do Chloe Sing exercise. What? Chole Sing, sorry, it's not even Chloe Sing. You mean Chloe Ting? Yes, Chole Sing. I got a new name, guys. It's me, Chole Sing. When Chloe does workout videos. When John Cena does workout videos. It's a secret collab, okay? You just can't see John Cena, right? Normal plank. Why can't you just be normal? Up and down plank jacks. No! Okay, fine. I always wonder how can Chloe memorize all the workouts? Chloe... It's in the ceiling. Why are you gonna keep exposing me like this? Oh my god, I look so possessed over here. Okay, last meme. Chloe, when I see myself in the mirror while doing it. At least you are trying. At least you're trying. Give yourself that, alright? You're trying. You get the form right, eventually. That was entertaining. I really enjoyed myself here. So shout out to my Discord fam for creating these memes. Made my day today. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button if you've enjoyed this video. And also I've got a new program coming up soon, so check that out. Also remember to do your workouts, do your cooldowns, and I'll see you guys in the next video.